Hi, today I'm in front of me ZTE Blade V40s and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to the sound section. Here we can see ringtone volume panel and just move to the left or to the right side this volume. We should swipe to the left or to the right side this white dot. So we can make it also by the second way. Just first in default volume button control select the ringtone volume and then just by press the up or down volume button we also just successfully change the ringtone volume, and we can make it also by the third way with slide to the up or to the down this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.